What a lovely day it's been today. I hope we don't go back to all frosty mornings. Anyway, I've been to the today. Look at that. Now, I need to rejig this a little bit. I'm debating whether to put this shelving over here and put some tomatoes in here. Got these plants. These are they tomatoes? I can't remember. Yeah, I think they're the tomatoes. Yeah, so I'm thinking of rejigging it and putting these shelves here. I'm not sure what to do. Or whether I could just put tomatoes there. I've also moved this back over here. Could do with painting this really. A little dry. I'll put some tomatoes down there, look. Last year I done the tomatoes in the garden. Oh, and a courgette on the end there. Yeah, so last year I done tomatoes in the garden. Didn't really grow that many, to be fair. So I've dumped them on there. I'm trying to see if they come back to life. If anyone has watched my previous videos, I took the netting off because I couldn't get to any of it. These are growing pretty well. Look how pretty they are. I've not grown these board beans before, so I don't know where the bean grows from. Are they the beans there, or is that flowers? Yes, I'm not sure. Anyway, I've started putting some bits in my pot. And the aces, these all started growing now. The aces started to grow. This, I don't know what this is, but this was a great big bush last year when we moved into the bungalow. And I put a thing on a marketplace and someone came and dug it all up, but obviously it's come back again. But it's quite nice. I'll have to have a look to see what it is. I've planted a rosemary there and that started springing out. I might need to move that. That's not doing that well there. I'll have to move that. But yeah, doesn't it make a difference just having the sunshine? Yeah, does anybody know where the bean is? Is that the bit? No, they're flowers. I'll have to Google it, won't I? Tulips are still doing well. Look at them, gorgeous. And I think the others might be coming through. Just wanted to show you these. Oh yeah, they've come through. They're getting thicker because we've got the gazebo up. Oh, look at them. Oh, they're cute. And the strawberries have started growing now as well.